Hi, this is John with WTI, and with one of my favorite tastes in sparkling water, flavored sparkling water, is the Sanpellegrino Pompelmo. I hope my pronunciation is really good, so tongues will not kill me. So one of the things that I like the most about this sparkling water is how easy it's just to change or exchange with soda, high sugar drinks to a lower sugar drink like this one. Plus, this Pompelmo actual taste just does great for me. I just drink it normal as a normal drink, or I use it with mixes for cocktails or any other drinks that you want to do with you and your friends. And as they put me on into this, I'm just tasting every single flavor and making my little picks on who is my favorite. Definitely, this one is one that is, if you like the citrusy feeling, if you like citrus in your drinks or your normal cocktails, this one is gonna do good for you. So this was John with WTI. That was my point of view.